What is the root mean square error and how to calculate it? In this video, we will discuss that. Let's say we created a linear regression model. The expected output of the model is like the following. The model gave the following output. So, how well did the model perform? We need some way to evaluate the performance of the model. We can calculate the root mean square error for that purpose. The root mean square error is a measure that is used to calculate how far the predicted data points are from the actual data points. As we know, the simple linear regression can be expressed using the following formula. Y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1x plus e, and we calculate the coefficients beta 0 and beta 1 in such a way that the error e is minimum. Beta 0 is called the intercept of the line and beta 1 is called the slope of the line. Now let's say we have the following values of the input x, x1, x2 to xn. The corresponding calculated values of y are y1, y2 to yn, and the actual values of y are ya1, ya2 to yan. So, for a given xi, the model calculates the value of y as yi, where the actual value of y is yai, and yai minus yi is the error ei. In other words, ei is equal to yai minus yi. These errors are also called residuals, and the root mean square error is a measure that calculates how spread out the residuals are. In other words, it calculates how spread out the actual data points are from the regression line. The root mean square error can be calculated as follows. RMSE is equal to root over summation from I is equal to 1 to n yai minus yi whole square divided by n. Here, yai is the actual value or the predicted value and yi is the calculated value or the observed value, and n is the total number of observations. So, let's look back at our example. In the example, the predicted values are ya like the following, and the calculated values are y like the following. So, the root mean square error will be 0.0249 after the calculation. So, from the calculation we can see that the value of RMSE is closer to 0 and hence the calculated data points are much close to the actual data points. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the playlist Statistics for Machine Learning. The relevant links are provided in the description. You may also want to subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.